Evening, start new video 32 into 38 feet. Okay, and now start. Sorry. (32) and this side 38. Okay. And 32 feet. Okay, now 38 and 32, 38 feet and 2 feet. Okay, and this side now this is partition 1 and partition 1. Okay. And now wall, outside wall 125 mm, and this outside wall and outside wall. Okay, and outside wall, partition wall, and inside wall, inside partition wall, inside partition wall, and outside 125 mm partition wall. Okay, and this is end and store, this is store and this is store. Okay, 3 feet wide door. And now next okay, and this is wall, this is partition wall, internal partition wall. Okay, this is internal partition wall, and now internal partition wall. Okay, door, and this is door. Okay, and now wall and this is wall, this stair, okay, tread and riser, 10-inch wide tread and 6-inch height riser, 250 wide tread and 150 height riser. Okay, and up and next partition wall and this is door. Okay, and now outside wall 125 mm, inside wall 125 mm. Okay, and this is outside wall, and this is wall, outside partition wall, this wall, inside wall, inside partition wall, this is inside partition 125 mm, inside partition wall. Okay, so inside partition wall, mm partition wall. Okay, now this is entrance, main gate. Okay, this is gate, entry. This is drawing, living hall, 18 feet 9 inch and 9 feet 7 inch. Wash room 9 feet 9 inch and 4 feet, and basin 3 feet 6 inch wide passage, bath and latrine common 6 feet 10 inch and 6 feet, and toilet attached toilet 6 feet 10 inch and this side wide 4 feet. This is bedroom, (11 feet 6 inch this side and this side, length 10 feet 5 inch, and this is kitchen cum dining. Okay, kitchen dining, kitchen cum dining, attached kitchen cum dining 14 feet 4 inch and this side length 12 feet. Okay, next bedroom, this side distance 12 feet. Next bedroom, this side distance 12 feet and this side distance 11 feet and this side distance 11 feet. Okay, this is ventilation part, optional ventilation. Okay, ventilation and window part. Next, column 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16 and 17, 18, and this side 7 inch wide passage, open space. Okay, this size distance 8 feet and this side total distance 10 feet 2 inch and 3 feet 6 inch wide landing, and this side 3 feet 6 inch wide landing, and this side 3 feet 6 inch wide landing. Okay. And column size 10 inch into 12 inch, 250 into 300 mm, outside wall 5 inch 125 mm, inside wall 5 inch 125 mm wide. Okay, total square feet 1216 square feet. Building cost, making cost, total building making cost 20 lakhs. Okay, this is 3 BHK house plan. Thank you for watching this video.